Hi, my name is Moshe Winegarten. I'm Chief Revenue Officer here at Ecommpay. Ecommpay is a full-stack gateway acquirer and processor, and in my role, I help our clients solve their biggest payment problems. So here at MPE, we've been hearing some great topics. I think some of the ones really stand out, obviously, with regards to AI and the ability it's bringing within the forward space to optimize and improve on things. Similarly, orchestration, it's been around a while, but there's so much more happening within this space. I think one of the best developments or most interesting ones coming through from the schemes is actually the payment account reference field, which is working across different devices, different channels to really give merchants a single customer view. And I think this is critical as the market gets more and more complex. Here at Ecommpay, we're focused in 2025 on greater global expansion, providing local acquiring in markets like the US, Canada, UAE, bringing APMs to our clients in areas like LATAM and Asia, and also building the growing demand for open banking as well, which is significantly growing in lots of different verticals and lots of opportunities for merchants and businesses to utilize the new technology in this space. So one-click payments have been around for a while, but this year they've taken off even more with the likes of Click-to-Pay, which we've implemented here at Ecommpay. Click-to-Pay is a cross-scheme initiative by EMBco across Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. It's an additional option in addition to Google Pay or Apple Pay or Amazon Pay or PayPal to improve the speed through the checkout. We recently did a study, and we've seen conversion rates from clients who didn't offer any one-click options of about 50%. But with each incremental one-click payment option that's added, we saw payment conversion increase up to about 67%. In addition to that, utilizing network tokens, which we've adopted here at Ecommpay, significantly increased and improved the authorization rates and reduced fraud. So one of the greatest problems that e-commerce merchants are seeing today is in meeting all of the consumer expectations and needs with regards to payments, especially as they expand globally. So whether it's a local payment method within a market, whether it's a credit option like BNPL, whether it is a one-click wallet that they need, merchants today have more and more demand from their customers and a desire to have a greater conversion. But in order to achieve that, by trying to integrate all these providers into their checkout, it's a massive headache. It's a lot of compliance, there's a lot of development and a huge demand and drain on them. Here at Ecommpay, we are bringing all that together within a single API with a single platform or hosted payment page. And we continuously keep ahead of the market to make sure that we're bringing to our merchants the latest payment methods or functionality which their customers are expecting. The buy now, pay later sector has been through a really interesting cycle. It took off quite aggressively during COVID and subsequently has calmed down a little bit. We've seen some consolidation within this space, but I think now it's reaching a level of maturity and growth, and it's definitely delivering value to consumers, which is a good fit for. So in the longer term, it's here to stay and provides value for different groups of consumers. And it's definitely having an impact in e-commerce. What we're beginning to see here at Ecommpay is demand for longer term finance and for bigger ticket items. So traditional BNPL is great for the 250, 500 euro ticket size, maybe with repayment over 3-4 months. But now we're seeing demand and growth for finance options, which can be repaid over a year and up to a few thousand euros, and especially in sectors like travel, luxury items, electronic goods, etc. I think so. It's doing tremendous work within e-commerce, and I think it's really bringing finance options which have existed in the bricks and mortar world, in the likes of furniture, into the e-commerce world to facilitate the movement of those businesses into the digital commerce.